Welcome back. Okay, I found a Flashback Friday for you. That is from 15 years ago yesterday, so almost perfect. But this is from December 21st of 2008.
And it was a day of blizzardy. That's the proper way to say it.
I didn't consult you before I wrote this
Wintry
script.
conditions. Yeah, it's a tongue twister that took a toll on many drivers, including yours truly, around the Quad Cities.
Oh yeah, I thought this would be fun to look back on a time while we sit here today with no snow when there was a whole bunch of snow. It's all part of Flashback Friday, only here on The Current on News 8.
Blue sedan rollover. Injuries unknown.
On the last day of fall, this was the view on Interstate 80 in Davenport. At one time, a dozen cars and trucks littering ditches.
Treacherous and slippery. It's not good.
John Bias had been on the road for 22 hours, driving from Florida when he and Mother Nature clashed near mile marker 294.
Very quick, very quick. Coming under the bridge, and as soon as we passed the bridge, we lost control, and it was all over the road.
Both I-80 east and westbound traffic at a near standstill. Police saying last-minute Christmas shoppers are the ones keeping tow truck drivers busy.
Another one, a Camaro in the ditch. I'm getting ready to go get out right now.
While emergency crews work on one call, more come in, this time involving several cars.
We stopped to help that car back there, and that idiot, was in the right-hand lane, didn't get over, didn't slow down, and tried to slam on his brakes and totaled my car.
Amy Nielsen says she just got out of her car when it was hit, destroying everything, leaving it to be nothing but impounded.
You have this weather compounding it, and this is what you get. And people overreact.
Another round of winter weather leaving its mark on the Quad Cities.
One of them things that happens, you've got to slow down and take it easy, and look out for the other guy.
Man, but I'm not done. I've got a little bonus flashback video for you guys. I couldn't find an exact date for this one, but I do know it's from the early 2000s of the Kone Tower Christmas tree. Do you see it in the distance?
Yeah.
With the old bridges?
Yes, indeed.
Oh, it's one of my favorite traditions
And we
here.
still have it going.
I know.
It's not considered a Kone Tower anymore.
Right.
But it's great to see that.
It's the News 8 Bridgepoint camera
That's
tower.
right.
Yes.
That's a better ring to it.
Yeah,
I guess you could
flows
say.
off the tongue, yeah.
And I remember that too. That was the first good snow going in, and that people were just not used to it. And unfortunately, you're going to have those kind of situations.
So thankful that's not today.
Very much so, especially going into this holiday weekend too.
No kidding.